Hi, my name is Christine Walker, and I'm the German teacher at McMinnville High School and the World Department head chair at McMinnville High School. And I wanted to explain to you, from parent to parent and teacher to parent, why I have decided to use the Modern Classroom project in my classroom. This journey of mine started a couple of years ago, before the pandemic, when I was finding that students were playing the game of school, and that is when I decided to go gradeless. They knew what hoops to jump, and I found that just because a student had earned an A in my classroom didn't mean that they were an excellent German speaker. So I have started the journey many years ago to move to where I am today, and the Modern Classroom project fit really well into my ungraded classroom. It is my goal as a teacher to build good humans, not just good German speakers. So in my classroom, we focus not only on the skill that they need to speak the language, but also the habits they need to have to make them successful in life, no matter what they do after they leave my classroom. And I feel that's my responsibility as a teacher. And also, I found that that was my responsibility as a parent in the home as well. So I have tried that with my two children, and I feel it's going well. I also, admittedly, have had to pull back from the "what's your grade?" because I find that that becomes, once again, just that jumping into the game of school. And what I really want for my two children and all of my students is that they can face a problem, try to find solutions for that problem, and work through that problem. And I find that when I speak to private industry, not only in the area, but also in Silicon Valley, they are working in teams and in group work together to solve problems more. We are moving a lot more away from the industrial age factory workers to solving problems. Even my husband, who works at Nike in the manufacturing sector, often gets together in teams to work a problem. And that is how I run my classroom. That and a lot of love and a lot of care and a lot of empathy for my students and what they're going through from day to day. Not everybody has all their stuff together all the time, and I want to recognize that with some good social emotional supports in my classroom. That is why I've moved towards the Modern Classroom project. A little bit about that. It is a mastery-based learning system in which the students can go at their own pace, with lots of structure and guidance from me to help make sure that they meet the goals that they need to be meeting, not only for themselves, but also for the class and the school. So you're going to see me doing a lot of videos like this to help explain the skill, not only accessible in school, but also at home. So that way I'm their teacher at home too, and you don't need to worry about learning German just to help them in class. Um, and then I'm going to be in the classroom really connecting with your students so much more than any other teacher normally would be able to. I used to be chained to the front of the classroom teaching whole group instruction constantly, and kids would either be missing because they're sick and they would get behind, or they would have family obligations that they need to attend to, or they would just be having a bad day, or they would be doing really well and I'd have to tell them, no, you have to stop. And oh my gosh, that's not what we want to do in an educational environment. So the Modern Classroom project helps me get to all of those students all the time and free me up so that way I'm in the classroom able to really work one-on-one with your students so much more than I ever would have normally been able to, with me having between 35 and 25 students in every single class period. So I'm really looking forward to this. It's new for me, admittedly, but please be patient as we work through this together. Any constructive feedback that you have, I sincerely welcome. Please just email me anytime, and we're on this journey together. Thank you very much for joining German class. Auf Wiedersehen.